Winston here, and we are at the airport. I want to run you through briefly what to expect with Fed minutes today. That is important. It could really swing the market. Winston says yes. Poor guy's got 16 hours in a plane ahead of him, but we'll be together, so it's not too bad. There'll be snacks. Remember the Fed meeting that we were at last month, which was an expected rate hike, hopefully the last one in the cycle. So what are you looking for here in these minutes? Why do they put them out so late? Well, it's a good question. They probably have to agree on what they put in them, but you're looking for some, not necessarily dissent, because there probably won't be any, but you're looking for a bit of rolling around. You're looking for some members to go, I think we've done enough. Be more cautious. The cumulative impact is significant. We've done more than ever before, that sort of language. And the more you get of that, the more the market will go, woohoo, rate hikes are over, they're done now. I know they'll try to threaten us with, we'll decide at each meeting in the future how much we'll do. But honestly, I think they're done. I think inflation could pick up again a little bit. Month-on-month data is sort of a bit skewedish, but I still don't think they should, because they should just wait out a period of 3 to 6 months where we get an indication of like 6 readings, and over the 6-month period the interest rates, inflation should come down. So I think that's what the market's expecting. If they give us that kind of language, then we should all be happy. If they don't, however, and they still plow on with the hawkishness, for some reason there is a car in a box behind me here. I'm not entirely sure why. I think Aston Martin must be based around here or something. I think that's the big one. The other story that they're trying to confuse you with is China. And what's that basically saying is, look, there are Chinese developers who are on the brink of bankruptcy. Some they've let fail or almost failing, and some they'll bail out. And really, I don't think it matters hugely, because big bankruptcies happen everywhere. Overall, China will bail out its property sector like they've done for the last 20 years. And yeah, it'll add some amount to the debt. But if you're worried about debt, I mean, then you shouldn't be in US equities either, because the US is piling debt on, like nobody's business. So no one's, good or worse. It makes a nice headline because people like to dig on somebody else. It makes us look better where we're coming from. But Europe is a nightmare with debt. The UK's got higher debt, I think, than Greece. This is where I am right now, not Greece, but the UK. And the US and China are all up to the same nonsense. And in the long run, there's a problem, absolutely. But in the short run, it isn't really. So I would say stay steady. Hopefully, the Fed will give us an impetus to go somewhat higher today, which is what we want. And I'm just trying to figure out where my luggage went. It's somewhere back there. So hopefully that'll be loaded by now. And then we are going to have a beautiful flight. You guys we'll see where we're going. I'll have a bit of time, obviously, on the flight. I'll try to make some more kind of educational stuff around investing and mistakes people make and how to avoid it and that sort of thing. So if there's anything you want me to do in particular, put it down below in the comments. And look, come and join me on Saturday. I'll be running a free live webinar where we'll teach you my entire strategy for free, so that we get to our mission and your mission, hopefully, of being financially free. My goal here is to make 1 million people financially free, and Winston's very, very helpful with that. Look at him sniffing around, always sniffing for good opportunities for snacks, and you should do the same thing with money and investing. It's that important. I wish you a beautiful day. I should be back online in about 24 hours, and hopefully this guy will be all right on the flight. He'll just sleep and whinge a little bit about how bored he is. So see you soon.